Today is finally the day. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic just came in. It's a day early. I can't wait to start using this thing. Let's get it unboxed and let's get it set up. And there we have the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic in all its glory. A fresh new rotating bezel in the black color. Let's go. Here is what it looks like right here. Here is the body of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. The rotating bezel, so satisfying, so smooth. Now let's check for that band, which is probably in this box right here. So I went with the black, and also the black, it came with the black hybrid leather band. Actually, this is the charging puck that it comes with. So it's a USB-C to a charging puck. It charges magnetically just like that, right against the sensor, just like that. Now I'm guessing the band is underneath this right here. Just pull on this tab. Yep, and the band is right here. It's the hybrid leather band, the classiest band, in my opinion, right here. A brand new mechanism for attaching the band. So there is the little mechanism right here. So this is the top of the band. So we would put it in, push it in just like this. Oh no, whoa. Just like that, right? You just push it in, or do you have to hold the button just like we used to? Hold the button and then click it in. Oh, okay. Or maybe not. All right, band fail. Okay, this is a brand new mechanic. This is a brand new mechanism. Okay, I have the Galaxy Watch Ultra. It's a simple mechanic, but this one is slightly new. This is different for the classic version. So we're using the Galaxy Watch Ultra mechanic with the little button. Okay, so I see what the problem is. You see how the button underneath the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic right here, it's kind of got like a little hump, like the button is like on top of this little like curve, like ridge hump, like right here. On the Galaxy Watch 8 on the Galaxy Watch Ultra, my bad, the Galaxy Watch Ultra, it's flat. The button is flat. So I'm holding the button down and it's kind of like slipping from my fingertip. So let me try that one more time. Let's get it in. We should hear a click once it's in, or not. Okay, all right, I'm really struggling. Do we have to hold the button now? Do we just push the band in? I'm a little confused. All right, I'm not liking this new mechanic right now. I'm not liking this new strap right now. All right, this is a very disappointing unboxing right now, okay? And I'm struggling. It's just not. All right, you know what? I want to get this attached right here. We're gonna figure this out. We're gonna figure this out. Okay, there we go. There's the snap. There we go. I don't know if you heard that, but there it is. Finally, after 12 rounds with a watch strap, there's the top one. Now we gotta go and get the bottom one and popped in there as well. So I think, yes, we do have to hold the button down and then push the strap in until we hear the click. All right, didn't hear the click there, but I think it's in. Okay, it's in. I hope it doesn't fall out. Good Lord. All right, so there it is with the band attached. There is the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic with the hybrid leather band. All right, let's see if it has any juice. I think the power button is the top button. Or is it the bottom button? Oh, there we go. We got juice. So while it's powering up, I'm gonna take my Galaxy S25 Ultra and we're gonna show you the pairing process. We're gonna show you how to pair it and connect it to your Galaxy device. So here we have our S25 Ultra right here. Our Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is booting up. Let's move all this junk out of the way and get this thing paired. So automatically it should pop up. There we go. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, a new device has been found. All you do right there is just click connect. It's going to open up the wearable app. It's going to ask you to check your watch, to check the number on your watch. You click confirm. And now the process is going to start. It's downloading the software. Boom, that was quick. Now it's going to ask you to review terms and conditions, privacy notices, diagnostic data, all that, blah, blah, blah. Usually I just click agree to all, then click continue. Allow the app watch manager to access Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Yes, I agree. Now it's getting ready to connect. So it's going to take a few minutes. Once it's done connecting, I'll let you know. Okay, it's done connecting, and now it's getting all the Google account info ready and set up. Sign into your Google account. Yes, let's go. You'll have to use your fingerprint, or if you have PIN number or whatever type of security login that you use, you'll have to do that to sign into your Google account. It's now signing in. Now you have the Google terms of service, all that stuff that you have to agree to. Now it's connecting to the Google services, to the Google account. So this will also take a few minutes. And now it's going to connect Gemini, the Google's AI assistant. You'll just click next here. That's also going to take another moment. And now it's going to give you a prompt to go hands-free with Hey Google to open up the Gemini application. So you just hit agree. I already have my voice matched to Google, so it already knows. So all I gotta do is just hit agree. It's gonna tell you to install the apps that you have probably on your previous watch. So you wanna make sure this box is selected here on top. Make sure that one is checked, then hit continue. And then it's gonna go through the automatic watch backup process. So if you have any data from a previous Galaxy watch, like I do here, it's gonna take that data and transfer it over to your new watch. You click next on that, and now it's gonna check for smart switch on the watch and then go through the process of transferring all the information and data. You click allow right there. It's checking for the backups. Galaxy Watch Ultra, like I mentioned, that's the watch I'm currently using. So I'm gonna take my backup from my Galaxy Watch Ultra and click restore. So make sure that it's checked because that is the latest backup. Then I'm gonna click restore. And now it's gonna transfer the data from my current watch to the new watch. Now it's restoring the watch data, all the apps and permissions, music if you have any music in your watch, photos, settings, your home screen setup, your alarms, and your watch faces. Okay, so just on a side note, I didn't realize that the watch came with instructions on how to attach this new strap. And yeah, like a dummy, I just plucked it and filed it. And yeah, it actually shows you how to attach the strap. So this little new mechanism right here, you're supposed to like bring it down like this and then attach it that way to the watch. And yeah, I totally failed that. So yeah, epic fail. All right, and now all of the data is officially restored and transferred over to the new Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So I'm gonna hit the next button right here. Now we're gonna get some of the Samsung Health stuff that pops up. Track the stress on your vascular system. It's gonna show you what it does, how to do it. Click next on that. Understand your sleep for better rest. It's gonna show you some of the new features of the Samsung Health app on the watch. So you just click next for these, get Samsung Wallet on your watch. I have that, just click next on that. Now it's finishing up the process. While you finish up the process, you can click explore to go through all the new features and all that. Now we're at 100%. So the watch should be done setting up and paired to my Galaxy S25 Ultra. And just like that, we're all set. So now that the watch is connected, it's starting up right now. Love the new rotating bezel. Compared to the Watch 6 Classic, which I have right here, it's a different kind of rotating bezel. So now if you see the bezel on the Watch 8 Classic, it's got like more of a ridge. So the ridges are much more noticeable here. And I think that's good. So like, let's say like you're using the rotating bezel with one hand or one finger while it's on your wrist. You can easily get a grip on it just like that. On the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, it wasn't as pronounce as the Watch 8 Classic bezel, but it was still smooth. I still enjoyed my time with this Watch 6 Classic. This is the watch that I'm trading in for this one. So yeah, even if you haven't pre-ordered and you're thinking about ordering a new watch, you can trade in your old watch for the new watch at Samsung.com. I have a link in the description for the Galaxy Watch 8 and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and even for the Z Fold 7 and the Z Flip 7. If you still are on the fence about pre-ordering any of the new devices, check out my links down below to get some sweet deals. Today is the last day to pre-order as of recording this video, so take advantage of those deals right now and get in the game. Okay, so take a tour of your watch. I'm going to skip it because I already know how to use a Galaxy Watch. But if you would like to take a tour of the watch, if this is your first time or maybe your second time using a Galaxy Watch and you want to learn about some of the new features, hit the start button and it'll guide you on some of the new features of the watch. So I'm just going to hit skip and it should take me to the home screen. And there it is. So this is the exact watch face that I am currently using on my Galaxy Watch Ultra. So it literally restored everything from my current watch to my new watch, just like that. So now I'm going to log into the watch. And then we're just going to scroll through the menus just like that. I already got my notifications, my weather. It's got all the tiles already set up just like that. Boom, boom, boom. Perfect. Perfect. See some of the new features on the watch. You have antioxidant index. You can add. What I like about the new One UI 8 watch and the new Wear OS is that instead of it being just like one piece of information per tile, you can actually group different little tiles within one tile, if that makes sense. So like you can have sleep, you can have stress under one, you can add something else to this if you want. You can have one big tile just like this, and then you can add like another smaller tile under that. I think that's really, really cool and really efficient, and I really, really like that. So I'm already loving this Galaxy Watch 8 Ultra. I can't wait to put it on. I can't wait to start using it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Did you get your Galaxy Watch 8 today? Did you get a Galaxy Watch 8 Classic today? Did you get a Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 edition? Did you receive your Z Fold 7 pre-order? Did you receive your Z Flip 7 pre-order? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you haven't received your pre-order yet, let me know as well. If you have a tracking number, but you don't have a delivery date, check out the previous video that I did on a simple trick that could potentially show you a possible delivery date if you don't have one, if you're tracking it with UPS. That's all I got for today. If you want, and if you have any questions about the Galaxy Watch 8, let me know down below in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, if you liked it, drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys on the next video with some more Samsung and Galaxy content. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.